If you're seeking a remedy for your vision issues, you're in the right place. Prepare to be amazed by how simple herbs can become your eye's best friends in the digital age. From the vibrant fields of nature to your very own kitchen, these powerful herbs are not just culinary delights, but also ancient remedies for maintaining sharp and clear vision. By incorporating these herbs into your daily routine, you can potentially fend off the harmful effects of screen time, pollution, and aging on your eyes. So sit back, relax, and join us as we delve into the natural world of eye care. We'll outline actionable strategies that you can immediately implement for fast results. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to harness the power of nature for your eye health. Before we begin, we kindly ask you to hit the subscribe button for more transformative health content. Your support enables us to continue providing vital information to those seeking better health. Now, let's get started. Bilberry, a close relative of the blueberry and cranberry, stands out for its high anthocyanin content, a type of flavonoid with potent antioxidant properties. These deep blue pigments not only give bilberries their characteristic color, but also confer a myriad of health benefits, especially for eye health. Scientific research has shown that anthocyanins can help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause oxidative damage to various parts of the eye, including the retina and the lens. This oxidative stress is a known factor in the development of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, leading causes of vision impairment and blindness in older adults. The benefits of bilberry for the eyes extend beyond its antioxidant capacity. Studies have indicated that bilberry extract can improve night vision and help with adaptation to darkness. This is attributed to the herb's ability to regenerate rhodopsin, a pigment found in the retina that plays a critical role in enabling us to see in low-light conditions. Furthermore, bilberry's impact on blood circulation is another avenue through which it supports eye health. Improved blood flow to the eyes ensures a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients essential for maintaining the health of ocular tissues and supporting visual acuity. Clinical trials and research studies have provided evidence supporting bilberry's efficacy in eye health. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, Health, and Aging found that supplementation with bilberry extract significantly improved the symptoms of eye fatigue related to the use of visual display terminals. The participants reported less eye strain and better overall vision after bilberry supplementation, highlighting its potential benefits for those who spend long hours in front of screens. Saffron, well known for its distinct flavor, offers significant health benefits, especially for ocular wellness. Its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties are attributed to crocin and saffronol, potent carotenoids that have been extensively researched for their role in maintaining eye health. These compounds are believed to safeguard the eyes by counteracting harmful free radicals and mitigating oxidative stress, a pivotal factor in the onset of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision decline among older individuals. Scientific studies highlight saffron's potential in enhancing vision, particularly in individuals with AMD. A notable study featured in the Journal of Pharmacological Research demonstrated that regular intake of saffron could result in notable enhancements in visual acuity. This research suggests that saffron's antioxidant properties may shield the eye's photoreceptor cells, thereby bolstering visual performance and slowing AMD progression. Moreover, saffron's anti-inflammatory effects play a crucial role in supporting eye health by potentially reducing the impact of inflammation on eye disease development and advancement. Beyond AMD, saffron constituents have been scrutinized for their ability to boost retinal function and safeguard against oxidative harm, offering hope for addressing a wide spectrum of eye conditions. Through its ability to enhance retinal blood flow and diminish oxidative stress, saffron supplementation holds promise in fortifying overall eye health and staving off vision deterioration. Chamomile emerges as a unique contributor to eye health, renowned primarily for its calming and soothing properties. Beyond its reputation as a relaxation aid, chamomile also offers notable benefits for the eyes, particularly through its anti-inflammatory and anti-irritant properties. Chamomile contains flavonoids and terpenoids, compounds that contribute to its therapeutic effects, including its ability to soothe eye irritation and inflammation. Traditionally, chamomile has been used in eye compresses to alleviate various eye conditions, such as conjunctivitis, eye fatigue, and irritation. Its anti-inflammatory properties play a pivotal role in reducing swelling and redness, providing much-needed relief from discomfort. Moreover, chamomile's antimicrobial properties contribute to preventing infections that could potentially compromise eye health. While clinical studies on chamomile's specific effects on eye health are limited, anecdotal evidence and its extensive history of use in herbal medicine suggest promising benefits. Its gentle action renders it suitable for application in sensitive areas like the eyes, offering a natural remedy for soothing and protecting against environmental stressors. Chamomile stands as a testament to the therapeutic potential of herbal remedies in promoting overall eye wellness. Fennel, renowned for its distinctive licorice flavor, transcends its culinary appeal to emerge as a nutritional powerhouse, particularly beneficial for eye health. Its nutritional profile boasts a rich concentration of vitamin A, a crucial nutrient celebrated for its vision-enhancing properties. Vitamin A is indispensable for sustaining healthy vision, especially in dimly lit environments, and serves as a cornerstone in averting night blindness and dry eyes. It fosters the optimal functioning of the retina, thereby fostering robust visual acuity. Beyond its vitamin A content, fennel is replete with antioxidants, including vitamin C and various flavonoids. These antioxidants play a pivotal role in shielding against oxidative stress, a condition implicated in the onset of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. Oxidative stress ensues from an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants within the body, culminating in cellular damage. By neutralizing free radicals, the antioxidants present in fennel serve as a formidable defense, safeguarding the eyes from such detrimental effects. Scientific research underscores the significance of antioxidants in diminishing the risk of eye diseases. Studies have indicated that a diet rich in antioxidants can substantially mitigate the likelihood of developing cataracts and AMD. Hence, fennel's contribution to this antioxidant arsenal is invaluable, bolstering eye health and thwarting the advancement of these debilitating conditions. As we conclude our exploration of the realm of vision health, it becomes evident that the efficacy of herbs in safeguarding and enhancing our eyesight is indisputable. From bilberry to fennel, each herb offers a distinctive array of benefits that can help counteract the challenges our eyes encounter in today's world. By integrating these natural remedies into our daily routines, we not only bolster our vision, but also embrace a comprehensive approach to overall health and wellness. It's essential to remember that the foundation of enduring eye health lies in maintaining a harmonious balance of nutrition, lifestyle choices, and consistent care. So why not take the first step today? Your eyes will undoubtedly express their gratitude. If you found this guide illuminating, be sure to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing for further insights into natural health solutions. Surprisingly, over 90% of viewers watching this content have yet to subscribe to our channel. Subscribing could be the initial gesture toward aiding someone you cherish in experiencing the world with clearer vision. And for those eager to delve deeper into the realm of natural wellness, our next installment awaits your exploration. Simply click through to continue your journey toward vibrant health. We extend our heartfelt appreciation for your viewership, and we eagerly anticipate your presence in our upcoming content.